no time, I'll be forgetting all about you. You saying that you know, but I really, really doubt you. Understand, my life is easy when I ain't around you. Iggy, Iggy, too biggie to be his present. I'm thinking I love the thought of you more than I love your presence. And the best thing now is probably for you to exit. I let you go, let you back. I finally learned my lesson. No head stepping either, you wanted it, you just playing. I'm listening to you knowing I can't believe what you're saying. It's a million you, baby boo, so don't be dumb. I got 99 problems, but you won't be one. Like what?
Got too much time on our hands, so we've been looking at ourselves too much. It's like if anybody meets your demands, you get embarrassed and you start to blush. When everyone's opinions are wasted, it's getting too complicated. What's this notion of a civil life? Do you think that we're ever gonna get it right? I don't understand how it is what we planned could ever go so wrong. So I guess if we give it just a little time, then we'll know if it's ever worth another try. It's a line in the sand, it's a final stand, so why'd it take so long? I dare to say these problems are your problems. Please stop telling me you got them. Is it fair to say that we're not in this together when we're sorted into these columns? I can't change the world. What if I could? It's not all about looking good. What's this notion of a civil life? Do you think that we're ever gonna get it right? I don't understand how it is what we planned could ever go so wrong. So I guess if we give it just a little time, then we'll know if it's ever worth another try. It's a line in the sand, it's a final stand, so why'd it take so long? Don't hold your breath, gotta stay suppressed, doing our best till there's nothing left. We're tired but we're better when moving. My dear, no there's nothing to fear, hold that smile from ear to ear in memory of the people we're losing. I can't change the world. What if I could? It's not all about looking good. What's this notion of a simple life? Will we ever know what to do? Don't think that we're ever gonna get it right. If we listen to you.